Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to talk about these Wildcraft trekking shoes. So these Wildcraft shoes are basically Wildcraft trail running shoes, which are pretty good for hiking and short treks. So the box is pretty basic and having the Wildcraft label on the top. Nothing much over here. Again, the website and other details. Nothing over here. And this is the label of the shoes, show various specification and import details. So now let's open the box. MRP of these shoes are basically 4,000 rupees, and last time I checked online they were available for around 2,200 on Amazon and Flipkart, but I purchased these shoes from Amazon sale during Diwali and I got them for around 1,400, which was a very good deal. As you guys can figure out, these are not brand new shoes. I have already used them for treks like Kheer Ganga and Jalori Pass. So these are pretty sturdy, and as you can see them, they are pretty neat for the treks I have done with them. And as I haven't cleaned them properly, I have just cleaned them with a wet towel. That's it. So I used these shoes during the Kheer Ganga trek, which I did last December, which included a lot of snow, and Jalori Pass trek during July, which included a lot of rain. So you can check out the sturdiness and durability of these shoes with the amount of treks that I have already done with these shoes. You can see them, they are barely used and they are still in pretty good condition. There is very minimal wear and tear. They are made of pretty good plastic quality material. It is not plastic, it is rubber, and the sole is pretty neat. The upper body of shoes are pretty good. They are not waterproof shoes. You can see the trail run branding over here. So these shoes are a good pair of shoes for trekking and hiking if you are a beginner, and most appropriate for small treks like Kheer Ganga, Jalori Pass, Triun, Deotal and Parasha Lake trek. So only cons of these shoes that I can think of are that they are not high ankle shoes. As you can see, the ankle of the shoes are pretty small, or not small, I would like to say that they are as per normal sport, and they are also not waterproof, so I won't recommend them during the monsoon season. So otherwise they are pretty ideal shoes for beginners as they provide good grip and provide good support. So I have personally used them in rain, slush and snow, and I didn't face any issues at all. I also have shoes MH500 which are offered by Decathlon. So they are pretty professional shoes and they come at very high price point as compared to this, as they come around for around 5 to 6,000. But these are pretty ideal for small treks, and if you don't want to risk your pretty expensive shoes, you can use them. Watching this video, I hope you like our content and keep supporting us. So stay tuned for